Changing your verification method on Netflix can help enhance your account security. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website or open the app and log in with your credentials. Ensure you are using the account for which you want to change the verification method. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it and select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Scroll down to the Security section within your account settings. Here, you will find options related to account security, including verification methods. Step 4. Update verification method. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new verification method, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email or text message to verify that the update was successful. By following these steps, you can easily change your verification method on Netflix, ensuring your account remains secure.